Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the Swiffer Duster Heavy Duty Extender Handle Starter Kit. So I really do like this kit. The Swiffers you get are the 360 ones. These are the heavy duty ones so that you can dust on both sides of the duster. But what's really nice about this extender is how easy it is to use. You just extend it, and then when you want to collapse it, press these little buttons and it collapses. If you want to just use this little handle, press this in. You can disconnect it from the big one, and you got this little handle, and then it's got all these different adjustments. Okay, so when you first get one of these out of the box, you want to fluff it up. So I just typically go like this, kind of pull it, kind of go like this, kind of get all the fibers kind of loose. Now you're going to find the spot where you're going to insert the rod at. So right here, you're going to see there's like an opening. The top side is a little bit shorter than the bottom side, and that's where you're going to insert it. And you're going to go right underneath the white part, and it's going to go in there till it stops. And now it's held on there really secure. Again, I can do both sides with this Swiffer. Now these Swiffers trap the dust. Sometimes the dust kind of does float away a little bit, but it is designed to kind of trap it. And then after it gets full of dust, you're going to throw these away. Okay, so let's go over some measurements. So the duster head itself is about 7 inches. You know, not much height, about 3 inches. With the handle collapsed, you're right at 24 inches. Now let's expand it. Press the wrong button there. Let's expand it all the way and see how much of a reach we get. To the center of the duster, you get about 32 inches. And again, when you want to collapse it, just press these buttons and it'll collapse on itself. And it does store for easy, you can fold it over on itself for easy storage. So when you want to store it like that, you're looking at exactly 16 inches. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.